To kick off this new sub-series on the channel, I've been asked by the folks over at Aqueous Eye Care by Aqueous Pharmaceuticals to do an unboxing video on the package they had sent me, introducing their new dry eye drops. This is not a sponsored video, but I agreed to share my experience and to discuss the product in the name of awareness and education. In this video, I'll be unboxing and chatting about the new Evolve line of eye drops just released this week in Canada. Stay tuned to learn more. Hey YouTube, my name is Dr. Natalie Chai. This channel brings you the latest science-based education and treatments in dry eye disease, myopia management, and specialty contact lenses to help you understand why it should matter to you for optimal eye health, function, comfort, and even beauty. Now, when I was asked to do an unboxing video, I have to admit I was unsure about it, and I had to quickly YouTube examples of what an unboxing video was. I quickly learned that it had its own culture with YouTubers unboxing virtually anything and everything. There is no doubt that it has its own entertainment factor piece, but it is also quite powerful in the context of influencing consumer behaviors. Now, my goal is to remain as impartial as possible and to bring education to the forefront to all the products and technologies available to you in the vast market space, especially for dry eye. To prepare for this video, I had to film at 4 different timestamps to capture my full experience of the launch in its entirety. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Ooh. Oh, I don't know if I should do that. See. Oh. Hey everybody, just wanted to show you that I got an exciting package here today. So as you can see, it's hard to see, but it does say it's to Precision Eye Care. That's where I work. The other label down here says Aqueous Eye Care or Pharmaceutical. So I haven't opened it yet. I mean, I lied. I guess I kind of opened it here because I totally forgot I was going to do an unboxing video. So I just stopped myself from opening up the box and seeing what's in it. I wanted to research first on how to do an unboxing video correctly. Relatively. Unboxing videos, it should be genuine for the most part. So I'm really looking forward to doing that in the next couple of days when I have a little bit more time, and I'll show you what's in here. Okay everybody, so this is the unboxing. So as you can see, here's the box that it came in. I just took off kind of the packaging here. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so nice. So it's got it looks like it's handwritten as well. So let's kind of see what is in here. Perfect. Just for you, Aqueous Pharmaceuticals. So hello, dry eye VIP. Aqueous has planned something special for Canadian optometrists, and we want you to be the first to see it, which is the new Evolve Premium Dry Eye Drops exclusive to ECPs in Canada. They're inviting me to, of course, the VIP event, which is happening, I think that's a Tuesday, yeah, February 23rd, 7 p.m. Eastern. Awesome. It's pretty cool. Let's kind of see what's in this box. I'm a little curious here. Let's open this here together. Oh, very nice. Let's see here. Oh, neat. I think I know what this is. It looks like it's a charging station. I could be wrong. See what else is possibly in here. If there's anything. Oh, yeah, there is. So let's see. Yeah, it is an inductive charger. That's pretty cool. Nice. I do like that touch for sure. Pretty cool little gift they had. Looks like on the left-hand side, there's the Evolve drops. Sorry, that was in French. So it looks like, yes, Evolve Dry Eye Relief Daily Intensive. And looks like they gave me a good amount. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's awesome. Yeah, so a good amount for sure. Wow. That's pretty neat. And of course, on this side here, we have the other formula. Here, as you can see, it is the Evolve, again, that's the French, the Evolve Dry Eye Relief Intensive Gel. Excellent. Oh, that's pretty neat. Awesome. Quite a bit as well. So, which is pretty nice. And of course, there's just the packaging as well. It's really cool to open, and that's a cool experience. I guess I will start using, of course, one of each. I'll be having a call with some of the folks over at evolve in the next couple of days or so. So I'll be learning a lot more about these drops and how they're different and why they are good for you. Hey everybody, it is Tuesday, February 23rd at about 4 o'clock right now. I took the day off a little early today. Just saw from my unpacking video, there was an envelope with an invitation saying that I was invited to a VIP launch event today, 5 p.m. Mountain Time. And so I'm super excited to learn more about the product and super privileged to be one of the Canadian optometrists to be chosen to participate in this. So I don't take this lightly. I know it is a privilege for sure. And I have been using the product for about a week now, and I like to give it a good try. As with anything, you can't really tell if, just by the first drop or so, even though the first drop was actually pretty good. But being a dry eye patient myself, like you guys, I'm there with you. It has been pretty good. So I will be providing a bit of a review about my experience with the drop myself. And I am really excited to hop on this call. I don't think I can, record anything about the call, but just letting you know that I'm just about to pop onto the launch event and looking forward to it. All right, we'll see you shortly here. First, a little background on Aqueous. Aqueous Pharmaceutical is a Canadian pharma company known for Vistatin glaucoma drops. The company has been working really hard to bring to Canada Evolve dry eye drops, which are the #1 dry eye drops sold in the UK and in 35 countries. If you remember from the TFOS DEWS 2 report, the first step in the management of dry eye is the use of lubricating drops, preferably without preservatives, in multi-dose formats to enhance compliance, as well as patient education about their ocular self-care. Let's take a look at the 2 formulas for Aqueous eye care. #1. Evolve Daily Intensive Drops. Now this drop is designed for the mild to moderate dry eye symptomatic patient for daily use. Now it has a high molecular weight, naturally derived 0.2% hyaluronate or hyaluronic acid, or HA. What does that mean? In general, high molecular weight increases the impact resistance of a material. In other words, it takes more damage to the main chains of the molecules before it will affect the strength of the material. Because it is high molecular weight, it also increases the thickness or viscosity of the material. Now this is great because we certainly don't want the active ingredient to break down and become ineffective in addressing the issue of our dry eye. In a white paper in 2018 by Gonzalo Carrasito and company, they studied and compared branded dry eye drops with HA 0.1% versus 0.2% versus 0.3% with baseline saline. Variables such as patient comfort, tear meniscus height, the Schirmer test, and tear breakup time were evaluated. HA 0.2% was preferred by patients 2 to 1 over the 0.1% and preferred over 5 times in the 0.3%. Now high viscous 0.3% caused more blur and higher order aberrations than 0.2%. Most women know of HA in the context of skincare moisturizers, creams, and serums to reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles. Now in dry eye, HA has physiological properties to hold and maintain hydration many times its own weight. HA also has a visco-adaptive effect when we blink and spreads evenly without blurring the patient's vision. In literature, HA is shown to have antioxidant properties to prevent cell damage by inhibiting free radicals, helpful against inflammation. Other features include having a neutral pH for the eye, buffered with gentle borate molecules to maintain the narrow pH range. The formula is also preservative-free, phosphate-free, and citrate-free. Now moving right along to Evolve Intensive Gel Drops. Now these drops are an exclusive triple active formula unique in Canada. It is designed for the moderate to severe dry eye patient for daily and also nighttime use. Now this is built on the backbone of the 0.2% HA from the daily formula with 2 other active ingredients. The first is called cross-linked carbomer 980. This forms a hydrating net to prolong on-eye drop residency and hold the hydration. The second ingredient is purified glycerol 0.9%. Now this regulates osmolarity with a lipid or oil function attracting more moisture. So just like the Evolve Daily Intensive, the gel formula is also preservative-free and phosphate-free. Now, even though it is marketed for moderate to severe dry eye, it is useful as a booster for any dry eye during high task-related activities, such as high screen time, mask-associated dry eye or MAID, allergy season, which we're going right into really soon, and also environmental stressors. Both formulas are compatible with all contact lens wear. Now let's take a look at the bottle itself. Evolve uses a patented Pure Flow Numera bottle, which was designed for the eye and not for the nose. There is a blue aiming dot, a screw-on cap with the neat feature of antimicrobial ions embedded in the cap to decrease the risk of infection. Now the wall density of the bottle was chosen for an easy squeeze experience. The squeezability of a bottle is always a high priority for my patients, especially among the elderly and especially those with arthritis in their hands. Now the droplet size is 28 microliters to provide up to 360 drops per bottle, which is more than several competitors on the market. So there you have it, everybody. I hope my video today was helpful, and that was my first unboxing video. I hope it was okay, and I hope that the information was educational and informative. So this is just purely from personal experience. I always recommend having you try the product out yourself to make a more informed, educated decision for yourself, because there are a lot of good products out there, and this is certainly not a be-it, end-all product or one that would solve all your problems when it comes to your dry eye, but it definitely does help with the comfort, at least on my side. So thank you for tuning in today. If this is your first time on my channel, and if you like listening more about dry eye disease or dry eye product and other topics like myopia management and specialty contact lenses, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so that you don't miss a new video every second Thursday now. All right, have a fantastic day. Take care of your eyes, and we'll see you next time. Oh, shoot.